In this video, I'm going to cover how to set up discounts in Microsale. First thing you're going to want to do is log in as manager under the manager menu, and you're going to go to discounts and gratuity maintenance. This is your discount setup screen. So there's lots and lots of different discounts you can set up within Microsale. There's a lot of flexibility. You can do time discounts by day and time that are only eligible for certain times, like a happy hour discount or $2 draft or Wing Wednesdays. You can set your discounts up to be eligible for individual menu items, or you can control entire categories or departments all in one easy interface. So I'm going to go over a couple of the most basic ones right now. I'm going to go over item level discounts and check level discounts. So we're going to create a very simple 10% discount. First thing you need to do is go under the name field, and we're just going to call this 10% check discount. So this is going to basically apply 10% to the entire check, not just an individual item. So we're going to go to type, and I'm going to go to discount percentage. And we're going to do this as a 10% discount. So you're going to put 10 in as an entire number without the percent sign. And we're going to make this available for all servers or server level individuals with permissions that don't have to be management. Now, if you did want this to be management level discount, you just select manager, and that would make it eligible only if a manager gives approval for this discount. So, but we're going to leave this for servers so that any server can actually set up this discount and use this discount. Now, we can apply it to individual menu items, but there's a ton of them. So we're going to do categories, and we're just going to go ahead and say simple rules. This will allow you to set up a 10% discount to an entire check on any check that has just food items without beer or wine. So we're going to go ahead and click these items, leaving beer and wine off. So you see I didn't do beer and I didn't do wine. So this is eligible for any food item basically, and it's in the entire check. So this is basically all you have to do. Now, if you wanted to restrict this item to certain days and times, you can actually click the start time and end time and put start time and end time, and then you can check off any days that this discount is not available. So if we didn't want it available on Tuesday, I'd just check that off. But this is going to be available all the time. So I'm done basically. I'm going to hit save. And that's it. So now I'm going to do a 10% item discount. Now this is going to actually allow you to discount individual items by 10%. Same rules apply. I'm going to go ahead and do discount percentage, and it's going to also be 10. And I'm going to give it the same permission level server, and I'm going to apply it to the same categories. Now if I accidentally click beer and it ends up on the right hand side, I just click it again and it goes away. So if you make a mistake, that's all you have to do. Okay, so that's set up. Now there's one more step when you're setting up an item discount instead of a check discount. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to select multi-select discounts. You're going to click this one time, and you'll notice that this changes this field to 100. But that'll basically designate this now as an item level discount, and you can apply it to one item or multiple items on a check without affecting the entire check balance. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now there's a whole bunch of other discounts you can do. You can, like I said, there's different types in here. The two main ones though are discount amount and discount percentage. Now I'm going to go ahead and back out, and I'm going to test this in the order screen. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, so I'm going to go over the two discounts that we set up for individual items for 10% off and for the entire check. So I'm going to do the first one as the entire check discount. I'm going to ring up a bunch of drinks here. You can see it's $6.36. I'm going to go ahead and now click discount, and I'm going to want to do the 10% off the entire check. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. As you see here, it took off 10% on the entire check amount. Now, if I wanted to do an individual item instead, I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these items. But we're going to go ahead and do a cherry Coke, and I'm going to do 10% off of that. So I'm going to do a discount, and I'll do a 10% item discount. And this will ask me to select the menu item. I can select the menu item and hit take discount, and that takes off the 10% on the $2, which is 20 cents. If I wanted to apply it to multiple items, I could ring up multiple items here. Say half buffalo. And I can hit discount, 10% item discount, and I can select the boneless buffalo wing and the battered mushrooms, and I can hit take discount. And that'll take that off of the boneless wings and the battered mushrooms together. And that's basically all there is to setting up a discount and applying a discount. Those are very, very simple discounts. There's also timed discounts that are available, specific days and times. So, for instance, if you were a bar and you did Wing Wednesdays, you could set up a half off wings and leave only Wednesday unchecked on the date and time selector, and you set your start time at whatever time the happy hour starts and the end time at whatever time it ends. And that'll set that up to be an automatic discount that anytime if you order that specific item during that specific day between that time range, it's going to automatically take half off. So very, very flexible, easy to set up. And I think that basically the item discount and the check discount should cover just about every scenario you might have. You can always feel free to contact us and we'll help you set up whatever kind of discounts you want. Thanks for watching.